In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog using Google Sites. Whether you're looking to share your thoughts with the world or start a new project to connect with others, creating a blog is a fantastic way to get started. And with Google Sites, it's easier than ever to build a professional-looking blog without needing to learn complex web design. So, let's dive right in and start creating your blog. First, you'll need to head over to Google Sites. Simply open your browser and type in Google Sites. You'll want to select the option that allows you to start a new site. If you're already logged into your Google account, this process will be seamless. If not, you'll be prompted to sign in. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with several options. Here, you can either choose from a variety of templates that Google offers or start from scratch to create your own custom site. Templates are a great way to get started quickly, as they come preloaded with design elements that you can customize to fit your style and needs. But if you have a specific vision in mind, creating your own site might be the way to go. After selecting a template or deciding to create your own site, you'll want to start customizing it to suit your blog's theme. Think about the purpose of your blog. Is it to share recipes, travel stories, or perhaps your personal thoughts and experiences? The customization options in Google Sites allow you to change the layout, color schemes, fonts, and more, making it easy to reflect your blog's unique identity. A tip here is to keep your design simple and coherent. This not only makes it visually appealing, but also ensures that your readers have a pleasant experience navigating your blog. Next, you'll want to add content to your blog. Click on the Pages tab to create new pages or organize existing ones. This is where you can structure your blog with sections like About, Contact, or different categories for your posts. To add a new blog post, simply create a new page and start typing. Google Sites offers intuitive editing tools that make it simple to format your text, add images, or even embed videos and other media. This flexibility ensures that your content is engaging and interactive, keeping your audience coming back for more. Finally, once you're happy with your blog's design and content, it's time to publish it. Look for the Publish button in the upper right corner. You'll be prompted to choose a web address for your site, and once you've done that, your blog will be live for the world to see. Remember, you can always go back and edit your site even after it's published, so don't worry about making it perfect the first time. And there you have it. You've just created your very own blog on Google Sites. With these tools, you can easily update and manage your blog anytime. So go ahead, start sharing your stories and watch your audience grow. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.